Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at Tesla stock. Another great day, another great performance by Tesla. Now, this is no surprise to us that we have been going up because the structure has been upside and bullish on Tesla since the time we got above this $203 area with the 200 days moving average. We did have one red day after crossing above it, but that was just a pullback. Now, one of the new tool that is soon coming out as well to my members, and that is this. I named it Junior Trader Easy Day and Swing Trading. All right, tool. This automatically visualizes the coloring and everything, and there is one cloud channel that I'll show you as well. This can be applied across any given interval, multiple stocks, and you can set alerts as well. There is an introductory videos from my members. The tool will be released soon, and again, if you want to take advantage of it, links to my tools are in the description below of this video. So you can see that once we change the structure, the candle, the green, the dark green just shows you that we are still in the bullish structure. And that was just a pullback. Structure didn't change, right? And when the structure is red or has changed, you would see red and orange. The difference between red and orange is, attention is what we need to take this as. Like again, if you remember, you would have received a video. I'm not going to go in detail here. I want to focus on the Tesla technicals. So soon enough, I'll be start using this tool here on my videos as well, because this makes it so easier to explain now, right? Like I don't have to, and here's my tool working as well down here, right? You can see the alerts show up here right now. There's status change on one of the candles. So all in all, things are, but this just makes it so simple to explain as well now. So structure has been bullish right above from $203 and that area of bullishness, right? So we are still bullish. I'm not seeing any red or orange. Things are still looking beautiful. Now the other one is, and well, right at the same time, I want to show you that, remember when I was a couple of weeks or months ago, I was talking about, guys, the structure is still bullish, right? Once we start breaking out above this channel, it's going to be a massive move. And you can see all that green candles, right? Even on the red days, because the candle is understanding the price structure, not just red candle, right? So it shows you the structure, not just the color of the candle. And we have been green back then as well. And then if I turn on the cloud as well, right now I have it only on intraday. But if I turn on this cloud as well, then you can see this is where we were stabilizing, bounced up, went quite high up, and then this is where also we stabilized again into the cloud and been going up. And then again, the similar way it works on when we have a rejections, right? But again, this is for a reference, the cloud, but it helps in also identifying what are the important zones to watch. But then overall, it's definitely the structure. But anyways, just wanted to give you a bit of introduction on this as well, because I'll be using this quite often. And I'm just gonna, but before turning the cloud off, you can see that if I take you to the hourly interval as well, so if you're making swing decisions, you can use this cloud as well to make the swing decisions as well for yourself, right? With the significant levels and everything. So the cloud turned green over here as well, and we have been look at it beautifully. And if I just turn my other indicator off for a second, you can see that the cloud has been, all the supports into that cloud are looking great and awesome, right? And then definitely the candles structure will also you what you would use, right? When the structure broke, we start to get red and orange. When the structure became again bullish, we already started to get the green candles down there, and accordingly the pullback candles or whatnot. But again, details are in the videos. If you're a member, you would have access to this by now, and the tool will also be available to you all soon, to the members, I mean. All right. Links to my tools are in the description below. All right. So let's get back to our, let's turn the universal indicator on. Let's get back to the analysis here. So yep, still full on bullish. Nothing has really changed, guys. Structure still remains bullish, and just gonna do that. And we are still in the bullish structure, right? Now, for today, I'm just gonna use, the original candles just just, slowly and slowly I'll bring that change in my videos. Okay, sorry guys. Now, yeah, structure is still bullish as long as we stay above, at least in the current structure, above 214. There is no problem. We are also above 20 and 50 days moving average. The next target is definitely this zone of 233. Now, this zone I have called out as to be careful, because if I turn on the short volume percent on my indicator, you can see that this is where the previous 47% short volume, which enacted in the benefits of the bears because price did fall without going through a squeeze, that's just an area that just be careful. That's quite a high short volume percent. So 233 is also a structural change area. So just be careful once the price gets there. Other than that, it's all fine. Tesla is still technically in the bullish structure. Now, what from here? What are the levels to watch tomorrow, right? So, I mean, the things are to look to the upside, even if any pullback comes. But as I said, as long as we stay above 214, there is no problem. We are also above 20 and 50 days moving average, right? So let's go to the hourly interval and let's talk about a couple of things there. So here we are, still holding strong structure. Now 214 on the daily interval is what I talked about, but on intraday level, we have a good support at 220 right now. So if we continue to stay above 220, even on intraday tomorrow, that's just a fine, even if any sell-off comes, but we hold above 220 with 20 hours moving average. As long as we hold above it, we are still staying strong and still technically remaining bullish. We still have higher lows and higher highs in formation. So there is nothing to worry about for on Tesla. What the price action is doing to worry about, well, if we lose 20 hours and 220, intraday worry would come. In other words, some intraday cool off may come, but then overall structure right now, as long as we are above from where the price is 214 above, we are just bullish. All right. So it's simple, right? And even on 5 minutes interval, if I take you over there, you can see that Tesla has been just running strong, right? Now, yeah, I mean, you can use my tool here as well. You can see we were above the cloud, no problem, plain bullish, right? And the structure has, there was some, here's the beauty, right? There was some sell-off in the morning, so you can see the stuff is red and orange. That means caution and be careful. And above the green cloud though, right? But it means that just be a little bit careful. And then this was a clean breakout, and then all that good green stuff came. And also the band was definitely is an helpful directional band, right? It gives you the trend already. So that's that. All right, so all in all, yeah guys, things are still good on Tesla. I'm not seeing any problem here. We are just going strong right now. All right, and to show you also the weekly interval, let's go over there real quick. And even on the weekly interval, we are above that head and shoulder area of here we go, the inverted head and shoulder area that Tesla broke out of this channel as well, and that was the neckline, a good neckline we got out of, and we have been bullish thereafter. And you can see we are close almost the second week above that. So no problem. Just as I said, 233 where short volume percent high is also present. Also, that is all underneath of 200 weeks moving average. So just be a little bit careful at $233 level area. All right, just want to call that out. Yeah, otherwise, yeah, things are looking beautiful for Tesla. We also have, I mean, analysts can say anything, doesn't matter to me, even if, because I look for that price action and the technicals. But just for on a positive note, we have Cantor Fitzgerald maintaining $245 price target on Tesla, which Tesla is not very far away from. And yeah, so yep, all great, guys. Tesla is looking good. If price action would change or break, I'll talk about it. If you will have access to my tool already, that will already tell you ahead of time on any given stock, right? It's just not on Tesla. So anyways, that's it for this video. And if you found it helpful, valuable, please hit the like, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next videos. Take care. Bye.